Okay, good morning, class. My name is Mr. Ike. I'm your professor for today. You can sit down, please. Sit down. So, I'm going to take the school register before we begin. I understand that this is an international school. I will try my best to pronounce your names correctly. If I make a mistake, forgive me. I'm only human. Forgive me. I'm human. Huh? Humans make mistakes. Do not grass me up or be a snitch. I don't want anyone to be a snake today, okay? Thank you. Okay. Jean-Pierre Alexandre Saint-Étienne. Oh, bonjour. Ça va? Oh, ça va bien, merci. Ah, très bien. Grete Anja Schmidt-Schneider. Guten Tag. Wie geht's? Good. Carlinho Almeida dos Santos Ferreira. Bom dia. Como você está? Oh, excelente. Obrigado. Obrigado. Victoria Zuzana Nowak Dabrowski. Oh, dzień dobry. Jak się masz? Dobrze. Lucas Janssen de Jong van der Sar. Guten Morgen. Hoe gaat het? Good. Very good. Ohima, Nana Frimpong Asante Buampong. It is Eyepa, na one swear. Medase. Dylan Thomas Reese Jones. Sidoiti. Yam Diok. Ati. Oh, vindicated. Very good. Lei Wei Wang Fang Yao Ma. Oh, ni hao. Ni hao ma? Hong hao. Xie. Mohammed Ahmed Abubakar Khan. Who's that? Marhaban. Salam alaikum. Oh, alaikum salam. Yeah. Kayf hal? Okay. Oh, very good. Shukran. Very good. Maria Angelina Rodriguez Sanchez. Buenos días. ¿Cómo está? ¿Cómo estás? Sorry, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está es italiano, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Ya, encantado de conocerte, amiga. Muchas gracias. Very good. Shaniqua Talika Misha Robinson. Oh, wagwan, Brittany, wagwan. Oye, Melo Panyo. Respect. Bless up. One love. Bless up. Little more. Yeah. Mario Luigi Giovanni Alessandro. Who's that? Come stai? Bene. Oh, very good. Grazie. Ikechukwu Emeka Okoro Ekwueme. Hey. Nwanne m kedu? Kedu ị na-eme n'ebe a biko kwa? Jisike jisike. Rupert James Adam Pepperhill III. Who's that? Rupert, how are you? Are you okay? How was your journey to school this morning, Rupert? You all right? Oh, very good. What did you have for breakfast, Rupert? Oh, English breakfast. Oh, very nice. Rupert. Oh, very well dressed there, Rupert. Good man. Well done, Rupert. Okay, folks, we finished the register for today. Just to remind you again, my name is Mr. Ike. We're going to start the lesson. And today's lesson is called Identity. Who am I? Identity. Who am I? Okay? Please bring your notebooks and pens out. We're about to begin. Thank you. Right, where is my pens? Perfect.